Phifer, we're the world's largest manufacturer of insect screen. It's not just insect screen though. We make solar control fabrics and then some outdoor furniture fabrics as well.
We implemented SAP back in 2003, and at the time there wasn't many, I say, standards. There wasn't a lot of specifications or any kind of what we call master data. It was very cumbersome and very difficult to actually see a complete product spec, especially from the beginning raw material to the finished product.
With our old system, if we wanted any kind of change or just anything slightly different than what the pre-can reports were, we had to go to our MES group and we had to get a programmer to make changes.
It's amazing how much data a company has, especially whenever you talk about all the way from raw materials to the finish and all of that. Our previous spec system, we didn't have any kind of way of mass changing or doing anything in mass.
At the very beginning we did an analysis to understand how to replace the existing system that Phifer was doing at that time. We have three of our components, the JUST PLM, JUST Planning, JUST Monitoring, that is the software used to do the monitoring for the looms and for the beaming machine as well.
But what we've been able to do in JUST is put all of those Excel formulas and all in the system so that both systems speak the same language now. The SAP person, the master data person in my department, just clicks a button and it will go on and create the complete material master in SAP. Same way with the bill of material. Just one button and it's done.
We're 10 years into our lean journey. We are pretty world-class when it comes to Kaizen events and continuous improvement. We really use the managing for daily improvement methodology extensively throughout our factory floor. You can print out on one piece of paper how a weave room did for the previous 24 hours and be able to quickly tell the story of what happened. When they schedule their looms, the system will automatically explode the bombs so that they can then see their yarn requirements going out very, very far into the future. So it gives them the ability to see what kind of yarn they need to be making 2 or 3 months from now, and are they going to have the necessary capacity during the peak seasons to be able to achieve that.
The first time though that I talked to somebody from PA Group, they were talking about DOFs and warps and warp yarn and all, and it's like, wow, just that. It's really nice to have somebody that already speaks and has the same vocabulary that you have, that understands some of the issues that you go through daily with all of that. That part really, that was, I guess, comforting in a way. It made the conversations go a lot better because you didn't have to stop and try to translate to somebody what you mean. It's very difficult, from my personal experience, to be able to take your high-level overall purpose, the intent, and down to all of the details of a project and be able to link all of those and manage all of that. That's a special skill that somebody has to be able to do that. And Carlo is one of the most amazing people at it that I have ever seen.
When it comes to any project like this, like implementing JUST MES, the critical component to it is the people. It is the people who are going to be implementing it and the working relationship that the two organizations have. And I could not speak more highly of the people at PA Group. Carlo Cronchi has done an excellent job as a project manager for PA, so I cannot speak more highly of him and PA Group in general and how well they've done